Hi guys, my name is Karen and today I will be doing a tutorial on this super flirty, like pinkish, what's the other word for that kind of pink? Like a berry toned look that I did on myself for New Year's, and I'm just gonna do that. I'll pop it right here in case you guys want to see what look it is. And yeah, if you want to see how I got that, stay tuned. So for this look, I will be going in with my TATI Beauty palette using the shades of Poet. I'm basically going to be using all this column with a little bit of aura. But you don't have to use this palette, you just have to look for a berry tone that you probably have in your makeup stash that suits your skin tone and that's available to you. You don't have to go buy this palette. So firstly, going in with the matte shade Poet on a fluffy crease brush, you're going to go along the crease, kind of marking the shape. Now if you have hooded eyes, remember we always want to go a little slightly above the crease, like so. And then on the outer 3/4 of our eye, and leave it like that. Now usually for my soft glam looks, which is everything, I tend to not bring my eyeshadow so far out, like past my eyebrow. I always lift it up a little bit before my eye ends and then bring it inwards, keeping it relatively tight, like kind of like in the middle between the end of my brow and the end of my eye. That's my sweet point. Now that you have this shape right there, I'm gonna go in with Aura, which is just like a creamy pink color, to really just blur the edges of the eye. Just going across what you did, not really extending it so outward, but more bringing it upward. You're not going like this, you're going like this. Now that we have that all nicely blended, we're going to take the metallic shade of Poet and put it on our lid. Just tapping it on. I'm tapping it on with my finger. You can use a brush. Whatever is your preferred method. Just tapping it on like so. Put it in the center of the eyelid, but I've left my inner corners empty because I'm going to go in with another shade right now. But next, I'm going to go in with the glitter shade of Poet, and I'm going to tap it lightly in the center. I don't want it super concentrated. I just want it like that, like just like a glittering light on my eyes. Next, I will be going in with Aura, which is the cream column, the metallic shade of Aura, and I will be putting it in the inner corner just to add a little soft light to the eyes, like that. The way I apply like my inner corner shimmers is I kind of take it upwards a little bit, like bring it up like that, because that's what favors my type of eye shape. So if you have my type of eye shade, some people leave it here, like just right here. I kind of bring it upwards to really bring light to that area of my eye. Next, we're gonna deepen it up a little bit using Ritual, which is a brown. Any regular brown would work. Taking it on the outer corner, just on the outer corner like this. I like to apply some shades because of my hooded eyes. With my eyes open, it just kind of like guides me better. So I'll like place it and then I'll close my eyes to blend it out. So now we place the eyeshadow. I'm going to take a small little blending brush and lightly blend it out, just so it can mesh with all the shades. Alright, so now that we have that all set, we're going to do the bottom lash line. I'm going to take in the matte of Poet, which is the berry toned one, run it across my eye, connecting it to this top line because it helps with the whole lifted feel of the look. And then we're going to very lightly go into Ritual and a little bit of the Black Memory and run it on the bottom lash line. And as the final step, I will be just lining my eyes with eyeshadow. I'm going in with Ritual and just doing this mainly to, what's it called? Emphasize my eyes. Emphasize, is that what the word? Just so my eyes won't get lost. Just a small little detail. And so this is the finished look, guys. I hope you guys like it. I think it's a perfect look for any night out or even a night to yourself to make you feel cute and flirty and take some selfies. It's a beautiful look. In my opinion, I think it's a fairly uncomplicated look. It's just mainly focused on, again, the shape to suit your eyes and the colors and how you blend it. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this, give a like, comment down below if you have any questions. Don't be shy to reach out to me. I'll reply if I didn't explain any step. If you want something a little bit more explained a little bit more thoroughly, I will be more than happy to help you with that. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'm gonna go. I need to get ready for work. Bye.